Hello students, welcome back to the class. So in the last class we discussed regarding shape of atomic orbitals and nodes. আমি পড়িছিলু atomic orbital shape এবং nodes বিষয়ে. So I gave you some assignments. Many students have solved it and sent it to me. So thank you who have sent it. For remaining I am solving it. So first, what do you mean by node? Node is the region where the probability of finding an electron is zero. Node হচ্ছে সেই জায়গা যোউঠিকি ইলেকট্রন পাইবার চান্সেস বা প্রবাবিলিটি জিরো থাকে just reverse to orbital. Orbital is the region surrounding the nucleus where the probability of finding an electron is maximum. But nodes রে কোন হয় সেটি ইলেকট্রন পাইবার probability জিরো থাকে. Okay, so nodes are of two types. কোটা হচ্ছে কোন না radial node which is spherical in shape. Radial node which is spherical in shape. Formula হচ্ছে n principal quantum number minus l azimuthal quantum number minus 1. Another node is angular node which may be planar or conical in shape. That is known as angular node. Formula হচ্ছে l. Then মিশাই দিলে কোন হবে total nodes কেতে হইব তাহলে total nodes for an orbital is n minus l minus 1 plus l. কেতে হইব ছা না n minus 1. So we have to remember these three formula. Radial node और angular node is of two types. Radial node, angular node. Radial node ର formula ହେଲା n principal quantum number minus l azimuthal quantum number minus 1. Whereas angular node যাହାର কি shape হচ্ছে planar shape নহলে conical shape তার হচ্ছে formula হচ্ছে l azimuthal quantum number. তাহলে দুইটাকে মিশাই দিলে টোটাল নাম্বার অফ নোডস পাই যাবা কেতে হইব না n minus 1 principal quantum number minus 1. তো তুমি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট ছকি দেইতিলি to calculate the number of radial nodes and angular nodes and total nodes in these orbitals. কোন দেইতিলি না 1s 2s 3s 4s then 2p 3p 4p তারপর কোন দেইতিলি 3d 4d এবং দিতলি কোন না 4f. So I asked you to calculate the number of radial nodes, angular nodes and total nodes. देखियो छवा गोटे 1s n is 1 principal quantum number is 1 for s l value is 0. You have to keep that thing in mind. कोन s l value is 0, p l value 1, d l value 2 and f l value is 3. So subcell wise you have to remember their l values so that you can easily find these things. 1s radial node kete hijibo radial nodes number of radial nodes kete hijibo 1 n minus l 0 minus kete hijibo 1 kete hijibo tale 1 minus 1 0. So 1s orbital लो number of nodes होची 0. angular node तो chance नहीं, angular node तो chance कहीं नहीं. For s l is equal to 0 angular node केते आसीबो ना l संख्या को तेनु l number of angular nodes केते हिजिबो l जेतु 0 होची number of angular nodes हिजिबो 0. ताले total nodes केते हिजिबो total हिजिबो n 2 minus 0 minus 1. ताले केते आसी गला एठी छवा radial node spherical node गोटे रहइबो. angular node again जेतु l value 0 0 তাহলে টোটাল কেতে হই গলা টোটাল হই যিব 1. তাহলে 2s অরবিটাল রে টোটাল গোটিয়ে নোড होची जोटा कि होची रेडियल नोड. 3s को आसीबा रेडियल नोड्स केते हई যিব ना 3 minus 0 minus 1 ता माने 2 हई যিব रेडियल नोड हई যিব 2. angular node केते हबो अगेन 0 काहे ना l value 0 अछि angular node 0 टोटल केते हई गला छुआ ना total will be 2. তাহলে 3s atomic orbital रे दुईटा नोड हबो तो there will be total 2 nodes all are radial nodes. 4s को आसीबा छुआ ताले radial nodes केते हिजिबो n होची 4 s पई l होची 0 minus 1 ता माने radial nodes तीनटा आसीबो छुआ. angular node again 0 आसीबो ताले टोटल केते हिजिबो 3. So 4s atomic orbital रे तीनटा नोड रहिबो तीनटा जाक होचंती रेडियल नोड तापर आसीबा छुआ 2p को 2p ताले देखबा आगे रेडियल नोड केते हिजबो n 2p पई l वैल्यू केते 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 ता माने 2p रे कोनोसी रेडियल नोड रहिबो नाही स्फेरिकल नोड रहिबो नाही एंगुलर नोड देखि दबा एंगुलर नोड इज इक्वल टू l केते हिजबो 1 so there will be one angular node but zero radial node ता टोटल केते हेगला छुआ टोटल हेगला 1 क्रॉस चेक कर देबो n - 1 is equal to 1 3p पय आसीबा रेडियल नोड केते हो 3 minus 1 minus 1 केते हिजबो छुआ गोटे रेडियल नोड रहिबो 3p रे हला एंगुलर नोड केते अछि ना p रो l वैल्यू होछि जेतु 1 एंगुलर नोड गोटे तले टोटल केते हिजबो टोटल विल बी 2 हला 4p आसीबा रेडियल नोड केते हिजबो रेडियल नोड से हिजबो 4 minus 1 minus 1 n minus l minus 1 केते हिजबो छुआ दुईटा रेडियल नोड रहबो एंगुलर नोड केते हबो ना l वैल्यू जा 1 तले टोटल केते हिजबो टोटल हिजबो 3 तले 4p ऑर्बिटल ले दुईटा रेडियल नोड रहबो आउ गोटे एंगुलर नोड रहबो 3d को आसीबा छुआ एंगल रेडियल नोड टा के देखि दबा आगे रेडियल नोड देखि दबा छुआ 3d रेडियल नोड r is equal to n 3d पई l वैल्यू केते 2 3 minus 2 minus 1 ताले रेडियल नोड बा स्फेरिकल नोड रोइबो नाही 3d रे एंगुलर नोड केते हिजबो is equal to l for 3d l is equal to 2 तनो एंगुलर नोड रहबो 2 ताले टोटल केते हिजबो 2 ओके 4d को आसीबा छुआ रेडियल नोड केते हिजबो n 4 minus d पय आसी गला 2 minus 1 ताले रेडियल नोड गोटे आसीबो 4d रे देयर विल बी 1 रेडियल नोड एंगुलर नोड केते हबो ना से 2 एंड d पय l वैल्यू होची 2 टोटल केते हिजबो छुआ 3 ओके देन 4f को आसीबा 4f पय रेडियल नोड केते हबो n 4 minus l f पय l केते 3 minus 1 0 तेणु 4f ऑर्बिटल ले कोनोसी स्फेरिकल बा रेडियल नोड रहिबो नाही एंगुलर नोड केते रहिबो छुआ ना l वैल्यू केते केते 3 तले टोटल नोड्स केते हिजबो 3 so this is the answer many students have solved it correctly बहुत जन ठीक की करी कते पठेइछो आ जो माने करी न those who have not done it you can do it like this so I think now you can find out the number of radial nodes angular nodes per and total number of nodes direct formula be use kari paribo n minus 1 you can cross check everywhere the total number of nodes will be n minus 1 so mostly तुम सब डायरेक्ट फार्मूला पकेइछो very good तो बाकी जो माने करिनो से माने करिया चेष्टा करिवो so with this we complete atomic structure or structure of atom then we will proceed to the next chapter that is periodicity of elements and classification so next students as I told you we will start classification of elements so before going to start the new chapter let me start with an interesting portion how the elements are named by IUPAC actually it is the privilege of the discoverer जे ताको डिस्कवर करता है से एलिमेंट ताको चांस दिया जाए and normally the element is named after the discoverer अनुसार ना अनुसार हुई नले the a famous scientist जने famous scientist ना अनुसार भी दिया पारे now the laboratory in which that element has been discovered or the city in which that element has been discovered so normally naming is done like this either discoverer ता जहाँ चाहे से अनुसार naming करे so it was all right till discovery of element with atomic number 104 atomic number 104 जते डिस्कवर हला सेते प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हला both Russian scientists and American scientists they claimed that they have discovered the element the atomic number 104 रो एलिमेंट डिस्कवर हला both Russian scientists और American scientists they माने क्लेम करले हम एटाको डिस्कवर करिछु so after that problem which arose then International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry IUPAC formalized a process that is called nomenclature of elements having atomic number greater than 100 so what is done? Whenever an element is discovered, first it is given the name of the normal name as prescribed by IPSC. आगे जब एलिमेंट डिस्कवर हुए IPSC जहाँ प्रेस्क्राइब करछि से अनुसार नेमिंगटा हुए. Then afterwards, when it is justified by the scientist that they have discovered it, accordingly the name is given as per the discoverer request. Okay, so by now 118 elements have been discovered. ए पर्यंत 118 एलिमेंट डिस्कवर हो सारी एवं fortunately all have been named. So as on today there is no reason why we should discuss the nomenclature of elements having atomic number greater than 100, but for the sake of nomenclature, for your knowledge, I am sharing it. बर्तमान से पढ़ार कौन यथार्थता ना कहीं 118 का एलिमेंटर नेमिंग कंप्लीट हो सारी बर्तमान से पढ़ार कौन मान रुहे ना. तथापि जदि बाई चांस तुमको केबे फ्यूचर दरकार है व्हाट इज द नोमेनक्लेचर, फॉर दैट सेक वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस चैप्टर विथ दिस इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन. There is nomenclature of elements having atomic number greater than 100. And for your information, the atomic number 104, which was discovered and claimed by both Russian and American, is finally claimed by the Americans and named as Rutherfordium, RF. Okay, so it has been settled, but it was the history how the nomenclature process started. So next we will discuss nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100. This is, remember, this is not applicable for all elements. This is only applicable for elements having atomic number greater than 100. जो वर्ग atomic number 100 रु अधिका ए nomenclature process टा तांका पई applicable. So here what is done? Now a unique name is given to all the root numbers. What are they? Now numbers. Let us first remember the numbers. Then name. A unique name was given. Then finally an abbreviation. How these names are abbreviated? By a single letter the abbreviation was done. So you have to remember these things. Numbers from 0 to 9, their names and abbreviation. Okay, so first 0, it is named as nil. Abbreviation, first letter N, small n. Then 1, on, small un, on. So what will be abbreviation? Now U. Then 2, by, B. 3, try, T. 4 normally it is expressed as tetra, but the tetra they have a problem con again the abbreviation has to be T. So in order to avoid that, 4 is named as quad. So what will be the abbreviation? Q. Then 5, pent, P. 6, hex, H. 7, normally 7 is given heptium or hept, but in order to avoid it, H again called the sept. S. 8, oct. O. 9, N, E N N N. 9 is normally given as non, but again N is there, so N टा avoid करने पे ना N को हाल E N N N E. So you have to remember these things: numbers, their names, and abbreviation. Okay. Then how the naming of elements is done? Let us see. Suppose we will start with atomic number 101. Atomic number 101. Okay. Z is equal to 101. So how it will be named? First is 1. What is 1? Now on. So first will be capital on. Then 0. Nil. Then again 1. On. So this will be written like this. Plus IUN. Last account prefix करिवा suffix करिवा ना IUM. So what will be the name of the element with atomic number 101? 1 on 0 nil. देखो underline कर दोची 1 for on 0 by nil और again 1 by on. Last रे suffix will be IUM. So what will be the name of the element having atomic number 101? Now on nil union. Then what will be the, so this is the name. What will be the symbol of the element having atomic number 101? Now first three letters of the name. So first one will be capital U, then N, then last one is U. बुझिला छुआ आउ रिपीट करछि. Suppose you will want to name the element with atomic number 101. So we will simply write the name full. First one will be capital, 1 for on, then 0 nil, then again 1 on, last suffix misebo IUM. So what will be the name? On nil union. Then what will be the symbol? Now you have to pick up the first letter from each one. U capital, nil uthebo U N, then U on achbo U. Similarly, Z is equal to, atomic number is equal to 102. What will be the name? Now again on nil, 0 for nil, 2 for by, on nil biome, on nil biome. What will be the symbol? UNB, UNB, on nil biome. Similarly, atomic number 103, on nil 3 ପାଇଁ କଣ ଆସିବ? Try, on nil triumph, UNT, UNT, on nil triumph. Okay. Atomic number 104, on nil quadium. 4 by कौन आसुची? क्वाड, क्वाडियम, on nil quadium will be the name. Symbol UNQ. The symbol will be UNQ. So with this all problems started. Eta pai UNQ pai later on it was named as Rutherfordium RF. Okay. So students, I think you have followed how to name the elements with atomic number greater than 100. For that you have to remember these numbers, the names given to them, and first letter of these names are the abbreviations. तो तुमको तीनटा का मन रखियो पड़िबो. मोस्टली नंबर अनुसार तार नाम आउ एब्रिविएशन. तब नेमिंग टा वेरी सिंपल. तले असाइनमेंट तुमको गोटे दउची, सिंपल असाइनमेंट. Write down the names and symbol of elements from atomic number 101 to 118. बर्तमान सुधा 118 डिस्कवर होईची. तमे आकु जीवानी तमे तांका नेमिंग एमती लिखि पठेबो. As per IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry nomenclature. Okay. So भावुची तुम मैंने बुझी देथियो क्लियरली. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वन. से लाइक प्रथम पढ़े देली. आउ एई प्रोसेस को फॉलो करिकि तुम असाइनमेंट कोन पठेबो ना. आई ऑलरेडी सॉल्व इट फॉर 104. तुम 105 टू स्टार्ट करिवो छ. 105 टू 118 पर्यंत व्हाट विल नेम जो प्रोसेस रे कहिछि से प्रोसेस करिवो. व्हाट विल बी सिंपल. सो 118 को पठेबो. बट अगेन फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, all 118 elements have been named by now. So you have to remember their new symbols. But in case you forget it, you can use the nomenclature. That will be correct one. Okay. Next we start the classification of elements. So students, next we start classification of element. So before that we will discuss why the elements need to be classified. I mean classify करिवा काहे. At present there are 118 118 टा element discover होइसछि. At present there are around 118 element discovered, and individually it is not possible to remember the properties of all the elements. जदि गोटे गोटे करके तुम सब एलिमेंट रो प्रॉपर्टी और डिटेल्स विषय मन रखियो चाहिबो, it is not possible. So that is the need of classification, because we cannot remember the properties of all elements from atomic number 1 to 180. atomic number 1 to 118 सब एलिमेंट रो प्रॉपर्टी डिटेल डिस्कस करि परिबा नाही. फॉर एग्जांपल मन कर तुम लाइब्रेरी को जीवो, सेठी बही गुडा अरेंज है कि नथिबो, सजा है कि नथिबो, then it is too difficult to find the book, आ बही पाइबो नाही. So library रे कोन करा होता है, as per your subject class it is arranged, then it is very easy for you to find out the book. सेमती जेमती लाइब्रेरी सजाई कि रहले तुम बही पाउछो, सेमती एठी यदि हम तो क्लासिफाई न करि पारुछु, then it is not possible at all, humanly possible नुहे to remember the properties of all elements. यदि हम तो क्लासिफाई करि परिया ताले एडवांटेज कोन हबो, there will be a gradual change in the properties of the elements as we move across the periods or down the group. There is a gradual change in the properties, and by following that properties we can predict the property of other elements in the group or period, and we can also predict the possible formula. So these are all the advantage of classification niyati darkar. So from the 17th century the need of classification was very well understood by the scientists. Scientists माने बुझी सारथिले, क्लासिफाई न कले मन रखि होबनी. So the first attempt was made by Lavoisier. Then he classified 33 elements. set पर्यंत 33 एलिमेंट जो डिस्कवर हेतला ताकु से क्लासिफाई करतले into gases, metals, earth. Accordingly he classified. Then the first systematic classification started with your triads. It was done by Dobereiner. So first we will discuss Dobereiner's triads. So what he did, this was a very short attempt, but the first systematic way to classify. प्रथम चेष्टा करते ताकि systematic way रे classify करिया पई बहुत कम एलिमेंट को classify करते. For example, he made some triads, that is lithium, sodium and potassium, then calcium, strontium and barium, then chlorine, bromine and iodine, like this. Chlorine, bromine and iodine. So these are the triads. That means he made the similar elements into a group of three. तीनटा कोन कहबा triads. So these are called triads. एवं से कहउतले triads. So similar property थिबा एलिमेंट मान को से तीन टिकिया ग्रुप रे रखिथिले, ताकु नाम देथिले, जेतु तीन अछि 3 for triad. So he named them as triads. So these are the triads. कौन ପାଇଁ रखिथिले? Because these three elements are similar in properties. तो first attempt थिला classification नो से कौन करथिले, जो मानकर property समान अछि ताकु से गोटे ग्रुप रे रखिथिले. He called them or he named them as triads. ताकु नाम देथिले triads. Then what is the Dobereiner's rule of or law of triads? Now lithium, we will only discuss this one. Lithium, then sodium and potassium. If we compare their atomic masses, because by then only atomic mass was known to the scientists, and that was considered to be the basic property of an element. Lithium atomic number is 7, sodium atomic number is 23, and potassium atomic mass of lithium is 7, atomic mass of sodium is 23, atomic mass of potassium is 39. Then what is the law of triads? Now he told that the atomic mass of the middle element is the average of atomic mass of the first and last elements. What कहले ना मझिरे थियो एलिमेंट रो atomic mass is the average of atomic masses of first and last elements. देखिबा first and last elements के रहले lithium 7 atomic mass, then potassium 39 atomic mass, average, that means divided by 2 केता होछ देखो 46 by 223, which is the atomic mass of sodium. So this is called law of triads. This is called law of triads. माने कौन? The atomic mass of the middle element is an average of atomic mass of first and last two elements. So first and last element ro atomic mass ro average hobo mojitar atomic mass. So this was the first ever systematic approach by any scientist. से like ता नाम दिया था, तीन टिकिया ग्रुप रे कराइता, ता ना triad दिया था. And now you will find them, these elements really they are having similar properties ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ either ସମାନ group ବା ସମାନ nearby periods ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି. So he was correct to in his attempt ठीक थिले but it was limited to some elements only किसी calculated element ପାଇଁ applicable थिला. But why discussed? ना because it was the first ever systematic approach by any scientist. से लगे हमें discuss कर लो. Then next came your octave, Newland's law of octave. Next we'll discuss Newland's law of octaves. Next we'll discuss Newland's law of octave. Newland's law of octave. Oct means what? 8. So ଜାଣିଥିବ म्यूजिक ର ସ୍ୱର ଯେମିତି ଅଛି ସା रे गा मा पा दा नी माने at every 8 step repeat नी पर पुनी कोन आसे सा. So he proposed that the property of the elements is repeated at every 8th place. तेलगी से रूल टा होची law of octave. So he proposed that the property of the elements recur or is repeated at every 8th place. So that's why this is known as Newland's law of octave. The property of the element is repeated at every 8th place, like the notes of the music. Notes of the music अनुसार दिसे छुआ सजेबा कोन कोन कहली सा रे गा मा पा दा नी पुनी रिपीट कोठी हुए सा वगैरह है ना. सो देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 there पुनी रिपीट है. So this is how he placed or proposed that the property of the elements are repeated at every 8th place. At every 8th place देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 पर नी पर कोन आछी पुनी सा फर्स्ट टाइम को आछी. So this is why it is called Newland's law of octave. And a limited number of elements were known by them. बहुत कम डिस्कवर हेतला. Accordingly placed them in these groups. कौन they started from hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, then chlorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium, calcium, like this. Okay. But he was correct in his approach because now also you will find them these elements in the same position, same group. Okay. So this is called Newland's law of octave. The next systematic approach to classify the elements. कौन propose करथिले ना element मानकर property प्रत्येक 8th place रे repeat हुए. देखो हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन. पुनी आसीगला क्लोरीन. In fact, hydrogen is an anomalous element. जहार property both group 1 element सागर मिसे एवं group 17 element सागर मिसे. So he was not incorrect in his approach. Then sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, then chlorine, potassium and calcium. So this is called Newland's law of octave and how we arrange the elements at in a sequence where the property of the elements are repeated at every 8th place. Okay. So this was some inadequate approach, but the first scientist who did a proper job is Mendeleev because for the first time he worked on a periodic law. गोटे निर्दिष्ट law देकी ता ऊपर काम करथिले which is known as periodic law. कौन now the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic mass. कोई से छुआ by then they had no idea regarding atomic number. It was done by Henry Moseley. So after Moseley's experiment, the term atomic number was coined, came into limelight as लोक बा साइंटिस्ट मैंने जानिले जे एटॉमिक नंबर बा गोटे सीरियल नंबर अच्छी दिया है प्रत्येक एलिमेंट को. सो इट वाज डन बाय हेनरी मोस्ली. बट बिफोर दैट all the scientists work on the same principle that atomic mass is everything for an element. It is when the elements are arranged in the order of their increasing atomic masses, the properties are repeated at regular intervals. तेणु जेहेतु आटमिक मास का मूल प्रॉपर्टी थिला से अनुसार से कौन देले पीरियडिक लॉ देले व्हिच इज नोन एज पीरियडिक लॉ मेंडलीव्स पीरियडिक लॉ दैट इज द फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एलिमेंट्स are periodic function of their atomic masses. So students, today's class is becoming very lengthy, so we'll discuss the Mendeleev's periodic table and modern periodic table in the next class. So see you in the next class.